Here are 6 tips that will help your target customers find your online business, plus a special offer for you at the end of this tutorial. Let's jump right in. Number 1, identify your target customer. To begin attracting potential buyers to your online business, you'll need to pinpoint the person who is most likely to purchase from your business. This is what we call your target customer. The person you should always have in mind as you design and market your product line. Understanding how and why your target customer makes a purchase will help you make informed decisions in building your business. Number 2, give serious thought to your core demographics. If you're just starting out, it can be helpful to create a rough profile of your potential audience. Picture the person who will use your product. Think about your potential customer's age, income level, and personal tastes. This will have an impact on their purchasing patterns. Number 3, track your statistics. As your business traffic and sales increase, your statistics will begin to tell a story about who your buyers are. A subscription to Google Analytics will provide you with a breakdown of your customers' demographics by age, location, gender, as well as interests. You can also explore the customers tab of your statistics to learn things like how they shop, where they live, and what types of items they're looking for. What they search for will also give you clues about who your customers shop for. For example, if the phrase baby shower gifts is popular among your buyers, consider adding it to titles and tags of your relevant listings. Number 4, your fans follow you for a reason. Get to know them. As you accumulate views and favorites on your Etsy listings, pay attention to what resonates with your fans. The listings tab of your stats offer a clear view of which items are performing best in terms of visits and favorites. Also, your social feeds can offer info about your customers. Whether you're using Facebook, Instagram, or other social media channels to engage with your audience, each new follower's interests, activities, and performances will help paint a picture of your target customer. Do not be afraid to interact. I'm going to say that again. Do not be afraid to interact. Encourage your followers to tag you in photos where they are using your products. This will give you an idea of how your brand fits into their daily lives. Number 5, participate in relevant communities and forums. Learn more about your target market by participating in online communities and forums. This is where your customers already interact. Join the conversation and ask lots of questions. You may develop ideas that will help you improve your bottom line. Number 6, test your product tags. Experimenting with demographic specific tags can be a great way to gather insight into what resonates with your shoppers and what doesn't. For instance, if you tag your product with birthday present or gift for dad and see a jump in traffic, you might also think about offering gift wrapped and using more holiday tags to appeal to your buyers. Try adding tags that reflect the style and taste of your target audience. Get comfortable with the lingo your audience is most likely to use and replicate those terms in your titles, descriptions, as well as tags. Remember to subscribe and share this channel. As promised, in the description, scroll down to the bottom, click the link to receive 20% off personalized baby clothing from New Baby Boutique.